Yeah, let me take you to our new product, which is bang on the money for those of you that are looking to become or to establish and run a successful mortgage advisory business. Now, we're really excited about this product. Now, we've got an early bird price coming up until the 18th of February is when we kick off, but we've got an early bird price until the 11th of February. So you've got a month really to make some decisions about this. Now, the early bird price for you, just get some money up front for you, is £249. That's available, I said to you, until the 11th of February, and we're kicking this off on the 18th of February is when we're getting going on this product. Now, it is live, it is sequential, it's a case of, it's online, but it's real and it's live going on the way. It starts then, and we continue then for 6 weeks. And we deliver the information to you over a 6-week period. So who does it suit then? Well, it suits new mortgage advisors. It suits people who have set up their mortgage advisory business and want to get some more business in, who maybe have reached a bit of a plateau. It suits existing advisors that want to get a little more cutting edge, particularly with the rise of robo-advice as well. So it suits a lot of people looking to improve themselves. We're having a maximum of 20 BODs. 20 people only is what we're looking at, to ensure personalisation, because you get a lot of my time as well on this one to help you through the role that you want. So what happens then? Well, basically every Monday we release a lot of material. So 6 weeks, I said to you. So on the Monday we release a lot of material to you via email. Now that material might be some videos for you to watch. It might be some podcasts to listen to as well. It might be some reading via PDFs for some articles to read as well. So quite a lot of material we'll release to you based around a certain topic. And then on the Saturday morning, we're going to do a live stream. The live stream will last half an hour to 45 minutes, and it will answer all your questions. It will be basically a Q&A based upon the topic that we've been dealing with that week. So you can type in questions, you can ask me questions, and I'm happy to produce those. The live stream will be pretty much, using cameras and technology that we've got here as well. So as you can appreciate, it's quite live, it's quite dynamic, quite active as well. Now, the lesson structure for you, so let's get a nice little different colour pen there for you. The lesson structure, well, we've got 6 lessons for you, as I mentioned to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just sneak them in there for you. Question, or lesson 1 is setting up a business, getting the technology right, getting your regulations right, authorization, getting the right setting up process going on as well. Number 2 is marketing and prospecting. Huge area. You've got to be marketing all the time to get your business, to look at new ways of marketing your business, how to prospect for new clients as well. Number 3 is empathy, trust building, how you can really make yourself different to clients. If you want to compete against automated intelligence and robo-advice, you've really got to get good with the empathy. I'm going to give you some cutting edge things there using NLP, all sorts of psychology there, so you can get really good at building empathy. Number 4 is communications, comms, how to communicate, how to fact find, how to really get involved with the customer. We used to call it selling, nothing wrong with that word whatsoever at all. Number 5 is advisory skills. So how to be an advisor, how to fact find properly, how to get into protection advice, those sort of things as well. And number 6 is time management and running your business, growing your business, ongoing advice to customers as well. More details on the website, as you can probably appreciate, give you details of the lessons that we've got coming up for you. You have access to me throughout the 6 weeks and 6 weeks afterwards as well. So I'm kind of like your mentor as much as I can to help you. You can access me via email anytime you want to. I'm happy to answer any questions that you've got to help you with your business, so your own goals, and can help you. We're going to give you a sort of 45-minute Skype call as well to start you off, to set your goals and objectives. So I will become your coach as well. So that's probably something that you'd enjoy getting, because it's all very personalised along the way. Remember, 20 people only. We haven't launched it yet. We're launching it later this week. It's on our website already. We've got a month to make some decisions here. Remember, early bird price until the 11th of February, cracking on the 18th of February to enjoy the next 6 weeks' learnings. That's running a successful mortgage advisory business. It's going to change some people's lives, I hope. I'm really looking forward to helping you along the way. Bye.